Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is Facebook blueprint. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is Facebook blueprint. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website, Facebook Blueprint e-learning Meta Business Help Center. When you click this website, the page will be opened of Facebook Blueprint e-learning. Facebook Blueprint e-learning is a series of the free self-paced online courses that earning the path that you can be learn more about the advertising on Facebook and Instagram. You can choose it from a wide range of topics and selected the earning lead. What is Facebook Blueprint? Facebook Blueprint is a global training and certification program about marketing on Facebook and Instagram. There are 3 ways to learn with Blueprint. Blueprint e-learning is online education programming that teaches the best of practices for advertising on Facebook and Instagram. About the Blueprint e-learning, Blueprint certification. It is a certification program that measures your understanding on Facebook advertising product or services. You can earn certification by passing 2 of the required examples. Blueprint Live. It is a person that is training for the program and teach you how to implementation Facebook and Instagram advertising principle in your marketing plans and learn for which is the language does Facebook Blueprint is learned for. Courses of Facebook Blueprint e-learning are available for the following language: English, Korean, German, French, Indonesian, Spanish, Japanese, Japanese, and simplified Chinese. This is the type of courses in one of the available languages. Edit your profile and change your language anywhere. I cannot update my profile. To profile your Blueprint e-learning profile, including your name, work email addresses, and language, go to the registration page. If you would not like to take the exam for update your profile, including your physical addresses on this page, and upload information will be have to reflect it a person view me like. Where can I view my e-learning award? The Facebook Blueprint is the learning that is the reward of show immediately after you finish the course on clicking I am finished with this course. You can be clicked on the view awarded and access to award. This is the directly downloaded button and you have to download the award. However, printing, there is no directly downloaded button to allow to the download this award. However, printing the award as a PDF will allow to the same. Now we discuss the courses show activities log. If you have the courses we are trying to access to show activities, then please provide the name of courses, account, email listed, and the Blueprint profile of the screenshot. When you have to submit it again, we have to can best troubleshoot your cases. Now we discuss some messages matrices are unavailable. Prepare to print your business online. Decided to want to reach, understand your customer journey, and set a marketing goals. Establish your presence. Stay connected with your customer online. Print your business online with Instagram. Have to the customer connected with your business on WhatsApp. Attract your audience. Attract the audience on your social media. Plan what you post on Instagram. How to make your Instagram content stand out. Build relationship. Engage with the people that you build your audience. Communicate with the customer on WhatsApp. Go live on Instagram. Improve your creative strategy. Create ads from of your Facebook page. Tips of the creating engaging mobile ads. Creative tips on Instagram stories. Optimize your strategy. Set up digital gift card at your business. Uses the shop of increases your sale. How to use the paid online events. Start your advertising journey. Sell your product online. Start selling on your product on Instagram and Facebook. Starting advertising for your page. Explore the online courses of social media publisher and creator. Enhance your ads in the ads manager. Learn how to promote your business with a Facebook ads. Monetize your content. Explore online courses for social media publisher and creators. In the next step, they'll get you know about your applications. Facebook, learn how to fundamental our Facebook on your business. Instagram, learn about your build and business presence on Instagram. WhatsApp, learn how to set up for your business on WhatsApp. Looking for things someone else and related content is Meta Blueprint for online training and advertising on Facebook. Online courses, learn ads manager. Instagram marketing courses. Explore the free online courses to grow your digital skills. And Facebook marketing courses, online courses that you sell your product on Facebook and Instagram.